In this video, we will practice some differentiation problems. Let us begin with the first question. Differentiate with respect to x cos ax plus b. Let y equals cos ax plus b. Then dy by dx equals first derivative of cosine, that is minus sin ax plus b, into the derivative of ax plus b. The derivative of ax is a and the derivative of b is 0. Therefore, the answer is minus a sin ax plus b. Next question. Differentiate with respect to x sin b plus ax cube. Let y equals sin b plus ax cube. Then dy by dx equals first derivative of sin, that is cos b plus ax cube, into the derivative of b plus ax cube, that is 3ax square. Therefore, the answer is 3ax square cos b plus ax cube. Next question. Differentiate cosine of sin x with respect to x. Let y equal cosine of sin x. Then dy by dx equals minus sin of sin x into the derivative of sin x. The derivative of sin x is cos x. Therefore, the answer is minus sin of sin x into cos x. Next, differentiate sin of cos x with respect to x. Using the same method as above, let y equals sin of cos x. Then dy by dx equals cosine of cos x into the derivative of cos x. The derivative of cosine x is minus sin x. Therefore, the final answer is minus cos x into sin x. Next question. Differentiate with respect to x cos log x. Let y equals cos log x. Then dy by dx equals minus sin log x into the derivative of log x. The derivative of log x is 1 by x. Therefore, the answer is minus sin log x by x. One more question. Differentiate tan e raised to x with respect to x. Let y equals tan e raised to x. Then dy by dx equals derivative of tan x is c square x. So, c square e raised to x into the derivative of e raised to x. The derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. Therefore, the final answer is e raised to x into c square of e raised to x.